Hello guys, and welcome to a new Let's Play. We're going to be playing Gears of War 3. I started at Gears of War 3 because I only have 3 of the games. I have the first one, I have this one, and I have Gears of War Judgment. I didn't really want to play the first one because I've never played it. I've played this before, but we're only on like the other difficulties. I've never played it on campaign. And I did Judgment entirely on campaign. I beat the boss and everything. It was kind of easy and short. It took me like a day. But yeah, and I might do a playthrough of that and the other one, but right now, sit back and enjoy Gears of War 3. Yeah. Alright, let's do it! Let's do it, guys. But I hope you enjoy. Do it. Standard. New. Casual, because I'm a noob like that. Even though I did Gears of War Judgment and... Whoa! What the hell? What was that? Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Oh no! Oh, what the hell? What the hell is that thing? Oh no! Oh, this is Prologue. Marcus Phoenix! Yay! Why are you captured? Why are you enslaved? So many questions because I haven't played the second game.
Jack, rip that door.
Go ahead. You saving me? Please be saving me.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You should have made a Zelda reference there.
A lot of trouble for two.
Yes.
Not anymore. Things have changed.
What?
It's your father.
Oh no.
My father, he's gone, Hunter. He's dead.
Wait, do you have my chainsaw gun?
He needs you.
Anya, wait. What the hell's going on?
Do I have my chainsaw gun?
Wait.
I haven't played Judgment in a while. Or any Gears of War game, for that matter.
The local
What? No, don't leave me!
He's sorry. He said...
What the hell just happened? What is this? Whoa!
What name are you doing here?
Joe Mama? Oh!
Both of you. Come on, Dad. I've come to get you out of here.
Oh, that was my dad. Oh, so my mom. My grandmother. That's gross. Ah! No!
Dad, keep your head down.
My chainsaw gun!
Okay, everybody find some cover. Spread out along the wall.
Yeah. I got pictures. Oh yeah! I'm already getting this. Oh yeah!
It was always his work my father cared about.
Yeah.
His research.
Wait, hold on guys. I need to turn this down. This is really loud. Really loud. How's 16 for you? Too bad, because you don't get to hear. Only I do.
He tried to save his work.
That's good.
I tried to save him. I disobeyed orders to do it.
And then, it cost you the battle, but not your father, right? Oh, these guys suck! You suck! Hate you! I fight with fast as lightning! Come Kung Fu Fighting. What the hell is happening right now? This is weird. Oh, so you lost the rattle and your father died. That's always cool. Can't save them all, right? Yeah. It's only my father we're talking about. Poor Marcus Phoenix.
Now hear this. Marcus Phoenix and Hazard Watch.
Sweet.
CIC immediately. Phoenix, Santiago, and Stratton report to CIC immediately.
That was a cool intro. That was very
I
fun.
heard you the first time.
That's cool, dude. That you heard me. You haven't even said that before. What are you talking about? I'll be. Alright, whoa, that's cool. They never taught me that in Pokemon. I want that. Let's just keep swinging, just keep swinging. They did it. Santiago?
It's okay. I know where to find him.
Okay. This kind of reminds me of like the start to Batman, I guess. Like the Arkham Asylum.
All personnel, alert state.
Oh.
Phoenix? We'll be having you wait a second.
Shut up! That's how bad it is.
Come on, Dom. Armor up.
I've got crops to take care of. If we don't grow it, we don't eat it, remember?
I think the radishes can cope without you for a while.
Let's go,
Okay.
Farmer.
Let's get this over with.
Farmer Dom. Let's go, bruh. Hey, Jace.
Deck 2, secure all hatches. Sea safety team, close up on deck 2. Prepare for inbound red. The Raven's coming back. Sam and Cole just took off for supplies.
Jace is over there.
Maybe Baird forgot his wallet.
Oh! Sweet references. It's like the... Oh, because you play as Baird in the, Judgment.
Come on, Jace, work to do. Stock City out there.
Alright. Give me a second. Damn, nearly got it that time.
That candy's like 10 years old, man. You're gonna puke your guts out.
Oh,
Yeah,
gross.
well, that's a price I'm willing to pay.
I'm not.
Guys,
That's disgusting.
CIC. Now.
Come on, Jackie, yeah. Anya.
This is Captain Michelson to all ships company.
Okay, she's in the room.
Now enter Lambent's water.
In the galley?
Go to
Why?
alert state 1 and secure for action.
At least the old man
What
still
time?
takes the threat seriously. Folks seem to forget how we ended up like this.
Out of sight. Out of mind.
Yeah, well, not me. Those damn things are still out there. And I'll
Yeah.
be ready for them.
Alright, well this is pretty cool.
You came between Dom and his radishes, Lieutenant. This better be good.
Good? Probably not. A shock? Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, you come back from the dead.
Do I get a prize if I'm right?
Chairman Prescott.
Prescott?
Shit.
You mean ex-Chairman Prescott?
That asshole.
He ran out on us 18 months ago.
Even in shooter games, Prescott
I'm waiting to
sucked.
find out. Hang on.
Anyone with the name Prescott, you're awful. Like that. Like Nathan Prescott in Life is Strange.
Clear the land.
He's a douche.
Standing by.
Douchebag.
Wonder
And so
where
is his
Prescott
father.
managed to find a
And his
helicopter.
mother.
Sure as hell didn't leave.
Mother's a
They
douchebag.
never call, they never send flowers.
Oh, I can't wait to do this shit.
I'll get the popcorn.
Look at the popcorn. Sweet, dude. Oh. Prescott? No! Why do I can't go to the net?
Ducks are gonna do some real damage one day.
You don't say. Good job.
Get out of there!
Why is it? Is this like a ship in the water? Got it. Whoa! That is like spitters from Left 4 Dead. Oh God! What is happening? Stuff is going down. Why are you throwing grenades? What in the hell? What in the actual hell? Oh God. Yeah, we are on a boat, like a helicarrier. Die, tree monster. Get you, tree monster. Are we supposed to go up there? Hear it. Okay, where are we going now? Let's go, guys. Go. Oh yeah, chainsaw gun. Yes! Oh, I love this chainsaw gun. Chainsaw gun is so badass.
All clear.
Where's the deck left? What? There's some ammo. That's good. What shell?
Sovereign Decay
All right.
You are clear to land. The forward lift is being waited for you.
Alright, sweet. Alright.
Ready stroll back in there like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's get this additional strand involved. Strip the chopper apart.
Alright. Alright. Looks like a douche.
I think he knows that the cog fell apart after he disappeared.
You think he cares?
Probably not.
Jeremy
Seems like a
Prescott.
douche.
Welcome to what's left of the cog.
I'll have answers for you, ladies and gentlemen. But later. I need to see Colonel Hoffman immediately.
Sounds like a douche.
Hoffman's been gone
Everything
almost as long
about
as
this
you
guy
have,
is douche.
Chairman. He left to take a group of civilians to Amblegate. Captain Michelson's the senior officer now. Not that we have much of a military left.
I'd better talk to that gallant captain.
I have a mission for him. Oh, and Sergeant Phoenix, you'll want to see this.
I will? What is it? Tell me, bruh. What is it, bruh? What is it, bruh? Bruh.
This better not be a shopping list. Let's go check it out.
Who the hell does that asshole think he is?
Prescott,
What? Wait, I'll let him finish his sentence first.
he's gonna find out an ex-chairman doesn't count for shit with Michelson.
Alright, so guys, I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked it, push the like button already. Unless you have. Good Samaritan if you have. I like saying that word. But this has been the first episode of Gears of War 3. I hope you guys are excited. I thought this was a good place to leave off. I would have done the entire thing, but it would have taken much too long. And I don't think you're going to be willing to watch 23 minutes of me spewing nonsense. But that was fun. I liked it. That's all I have to say. What the